Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic partner van. So this van is ply lined in the back and has two sliding side doors. You get 16-inch alloy wheels, parking sensors, there's a rear camera system. Now up front you've got 3 seats. The touchscreen has sat-nav, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter and even speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Done less than 3,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.